We're gonna have a competition. Me and this kid. I'm gonna throw this ball into the pool backwards. And then me and Brendan are gonna have a victory dance. Right, Brendan?
Yeah.
Alright. You go first. Hey, miss.
That was just a warm-up.
Oh, that was a warm-up? Alright. No more warm-ups. What the F? Watch how a real G does this. You gonna watch, Brendan? Come here. You gotta get ready so I can do my dance. You can do it with me, okay? Oh man, hold on. I'll do it again. Okay.
Yeah! You can see.
Dance, dance.
Let's do that again.
Can I throw you in there?
Let's do that again.
Oh!